Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have this 1967 Ford Mustang to show you guys. The car's been restored and gone through. Beautiful red paint throughout the car, sitting on awesome chrome Cragars. Rocker moldings look good. Paint looks really, really nice on the car. If there's any blemishes, I am going to point them out in the video. Beautiful bezels in the back, excellent chrome, beautiful setup on this car. The stance, little skinnies in the front. All the weather stripping looks good. Brake lines, fuel lines have been gone through. It's got a nice 289 motor in it. I don't believe it's stock. It is powerful. It does move out. There you go. Very clean engine compartment. Tag is right there set up. This is a 289 cubic inch with headers. Shocks have been gone through. It's a 3-speed manual. Very nice chrome bezels, weather stripping. Okay, door lips look really nice. Factory welds. Interior has been gone through. Rockers look great. Center console is nice. Back seat intact with the seat belts. Headliner is good. Dome light functions. Dash pad. Wooden steering wheel. Guys, this is a nice car. No kidding. Shows 23,000 miles on the car. Everything in here looks good. Right there, baby. 3-speed. Trunk is really nice on the car as well. The car's been restored, guys. Nice restored little Mustang. Big Ford engine in the back. Multi-leaf setup. Dual exhaust. Brake lines, fuel lines have been gone through. Let's fire this up. I want you guys to hear it really fast. It does sound really, really good. Listen to this thing. Let's go for a quick ride. Functions. It goes in gear really good. The car steers excellent. Clutch feels really good on the car. Horn functions. All the glass in the car is in good condition. There's no cracks in, there is no cracks in the windshield. No stone chips. Actually, it's a brand new windshield. Turn signals function great, as they should. Downshift's excellent. Wipers work, horn works. No defrost, it doesn't seem like. Oh, there's a lot of traffic out. Seems like all the gauges are functional. Car sounds mean. Ooh, this is fun. A lot of thumbs up anywhere you go. That cop don't pull me over. Anyway, MGM Classic Cars located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are located 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway. If you guys and gals wanted to stop in, check out the car in person, it's not a problem. We now offer driveway delivery, fully insured to your doorstep. Just text me with your zip code and I'll get you a quote. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, the bottom red button. This thing handles really nice too. financing, if your credit score is 625 to 725, please go to mgmclassiccars.com, fill out the credit application. If your score is 725 or higher, go to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, like I said earlier. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it, guys. This classic car stuff is increasing in value every single day. Get yourself a tangible asset. You will not go wrong. Paint on this car is really nice, along with the interior. Drive, stops, runs excellent, like it should. Again, my name is Thomas. mgmclassiccars.com is the name of the game. You can reach me at 847-848-1850. I prefer texts over calls, but go ahead and if you don't text, then just give me a voicemail at the end of the tone. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.